everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am now outside going to my friend's house. First and foremost, I am in Karachi City, and as we know, as far as we know, or maybe you don't know, but I just want to let you know that Karachi is one of the biggest city in Pakistan. This road that I am crossing with the rickshaw is Gulshan-e-Iqbal, one of the biggest part of Karachi City. This is a main road going to Imtiaz Supermarket Gulshan and Lucky One Mall, for the biggest mall here in Karachi City. If you are now watching my video, stay there until the end. And I am going to share with you some parts of Karachi City, especially in Gulshan-e-Iqbal.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Eto nga, nandito na ako sa bahay o sa building kung saan nakatira ang aking kapitbahay o ang aking kababayan. So, papakita or share ko lang sa inyo yung mga activities na ginagawa ko dito o normal na ginagawa ko dito sa Pakistan as a wife or asawa ng isang Pakistani. Normal na normal lang. Minsan nangangapit bahay, minsan nasa bahay 24 hours. Ayan, nandito na ako sa kapitbahay. At ako'y magluluto ng donut. Hello! Hello! Ayan, nandito na ako sa kapitbahay. Magluto tayo ng donut. Ayan, magluto ako ng donut. May pagkain tayo, rice para sa lunch at ang ating ginisang sitaw. Yan. At eto, ang pinaka the best, ang dilis at ang ating corned beef. Ayan, may corned beef. Yan ang ating pagkain for today. Since we are Filipino family, most of our foods are Filipino foods. But of course, there are also fast foods. At yan nga po ang ginagawa ko minsan. At kaya actually hindi nga minsan, madalas. Mga siguro 3 beses sa isang linggo na lumalabas ako at bumibisita sa aking mga kababayan dito sa Pakistan. Kasi nga, alam nyo naman, palamunin ng peg. Pero wala lang, gusto ko lang din na medyo na-exercise at ma-expose sa labas kasi nga 24 hours na sa loob ng bahay. Buti na lang itong asawa ko ay talagang hindi stricto at dahil nga medyo nakakaintindi na ako at nakakapagsalita na ng Urdu kaya hindi na niya ako pinagbabawalan.